Today we will start another chapter known as Notepad. Notepad is the basic text editing program. You can use this program to create simple text documents such as letters, short stories, poems, or notes. How to start a notepad? Click on the start button. You will see Windows accessories, and click on click Notepad. Notepad windows appear on the desktop. This is your notepad. Now this has various features or various parts: title bar, menu bar, work area. We will study them in brief. First, the title bar. The title bar present at the top of the notepad window. It displays the name of the currently opened document. It also has buttons like minimize, maximize, and close. Then we have menu bar. The menu bar is present at the top. Present below the title bar. It has 5 menus: file, edit, format, view, and help. Each menu contains commands related to a specific type of activity. तो मेन्यू बार में ये सारे मेन्यू बार में ये सारे बटन्स होते हैं, जैसे कि फाइल प्रोवाइड्स ऑप्शन फॉर क्रिएटिंग अ न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट्स, ओपनिंग अ एक्जिस्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट, saving, printing a document. Next is the work area. The work area is present below the menu bar. This is the area where you type text. Next is how to work in a notepad. You can type or insert text or format and make changes to the text in a notepad. Let us learn how to enter text and make changes to it. First of all, we need how to enter text. So first we have to open the notepad and click inside the work area. A cursor will come up. Now then you have to type your text. For example, here we are typing twinkle twinkle little star, how I what you are. Now then we can also insert text. Now open the windows. Now click the location in the document. For example, here you want to insert something. The cursor blinks at the required location. Type the text wonder. For example, here we are taking the text gets inserted. Now next is we have to select a text. Now in order to select the text, what you can do is place the cursor at the location where you want to place the cursor at the location from where you want to start selection of the text. For example, from here you want to select this, so press the left mouse button like this, see here, like this, and you will select it. Now release the mouse button once you have made the selection. You either can delete or with the help of delete or the backspace key. Next is formatting text. Formatting text refers to change in appearance of the text by changing its font and style. For example, here we have Arial. This is another font, this is another font, and this is another font. It refers to the manner in which a character appears on the screen. Second is style. It gives a distinct look to the text by making the text appear regular, bold, italic. This is regular, this is bold, and this is italic. Now it makes the text appear so smaller and larger. For example, here we have size 14, this is size 16, and this is size 18. Now how to do all this? Now click on the format. See, if you will see here, in the format, you will see font, and when you see this, this menu will appear where you can change the font style and size. Select the required font, style, and size for the text dialog box. A preview of selected formatting is also displayed in the sample. Here you can see sample, what your font, style, or size will look like. Click on the OK, then you will apply the selected formatting.